close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now we're about to take off this cooler and see what this little screwdriver looked like and see if it did any damage to this poor old cooler. Look at that. Boy, damn. You can tell that's been in there a while. I cannot believe that was stuck in the dang on cooler. Freaking snap-on screwdriver. I guess that's some of the water pump fins right there. Not really too sure what that goes to. Oh, got it all cleaned up. This here is the other cooler that come out the original engine that we pulled out. We're putting this one on there because of the other one having a cracked housing right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and slap this whole unit on there. O-rings and stuff are still soft, they ain't lose their shape. And we're gonna put some sealant on this here gasket after we clean it, because that's the only one we have currently. Just like that, we got the new cooler and the cooler housing on from the old engine. And it's time to install the water pump, and then we can pretty much install the engine. We're gonna add all the other accessories on after we get the engine installed, so kind of place everything how it should be and not damage it while going in. All right, so let's see what we got here. Got this cool little DHD sticker. We'll slap on the back of the truck. If anyone wants to know the Gates part number, it's 42349BH. Got your gasket, your O-rings. There she is. So what we're gonna do is throw a nice little tack weld around here, do a couple spots, and then we'll slap her in. We got this thing done. Don't want to get too hot because you can burn up them seals and stuff inside. It's not too shabby. I had to start and stop, but I'm gonna grind down this little booger I made right here. It didn't want to act right.
Alright, so water pump install is complete. If you want to learn more about the LB7, please check out my other videos. We already did the pullout, and let me know what you think in the comments.